Hello, Rob here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now on this channel I give free training and video tutorials on how to use the Groove suite of products, whether that's GroovePages, GrooveMember, GrooveBlog, GrooveVideo, whatever it is, I'll cover it on here. And the idea of my videos, I like to try and give as concise training as possible in a short space of time, so that you can get the most out of the product. It's a fantastic suite of tools, and to be honest, in my opinion, you don't need anything else to run your online business. So let me know in the comments if there's anything you want covered. You can also get in touch, info@grooveuser.com as well. Now, I'm sure some of you may have interacted with me on the official Groove Facebook group, which is great. I've also got my own Facebook group, which is somewhat related, where I give training on various methods and techniques that myself and others use to increase the visibility of their online product, business or service. The name of the group is How to Get Seen Online. I'll put a link in the description below as well. I'd love to see you there in the group, so head on over if you think that might be of interest to you. Now back to the GrooveUser channel. As I said, let me know anything you want help with and I'll put a video up. Now if you find any of my videos useful, I'll really appreciate it if you could hit the like button. That increases my videos in terms of the YouTube algorithm, and it will put them in front of more people like you who will find them useful. So please do that. If you want to get more of my content, subscribe to the channel and be sure to hit the bell so that you get notifications when I upload new content. So I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.